Welcome to our tutorial on the CCY Power Indicator, a powerful tool for analyzing currency trends in the Forex market. Let's dive into the features of this indicator and how you can leverage its capabilities to enhance your trading strategies. First, let's explore the basic settings. You have two display modes to choose from: Chart CCY Power and All Power. Chart CCY Power displays only the currency you selected, while All Power shows the power and volume of the 8 major currencies. Next, you can customize the time frame calculation to suit your trading preferences. Choose from various time frames ranging from 1 minute to 1 month, allowing you to analyze currency dynamics over different periods. Now, let's talk about the period setting. This determines the period for currency strength, using the number of bullish and bearish candles as the calculation unit. The input value must be an integer, starting from 1 and with no set maximum limit. Here you have the option to display only the currency you have selected on the chart. Choose On to display only selected currencies, or Off to show all currencies. You can choose to display the central line for additional analysis. Toggle between On to display the central line or Off to hide it. These values establish the parameters for currency strength through the strong and weak levels. Input your preferred thresholds to define the currency dynamics, comparing the high and low values in currency strength. Power Ranking Panel. You can display a comprehensive view of currency strength. Choose On to display the panel or Off to hide it. You could also select the panel sizes, choosing from small, medium, or large. Lastly, you could choose colors for each currency displayed in the chart. Let's walk through the step-by-step instructions for using the CCY Power Indicator in MT4. Navigate to the Navigator window. Right-click on the CCY Power Indicator and select Attach to a chart. Once attached, click on Inputs in the indicator settings. Select All Power in the Display Mode drop-down menu. This displays the power and volume of the 8 major currencies. Smooth and responsive indicator operation ensures accurate analysis. You can select 2 currencies from the window below for analysis. The window above will automatically switch to the corresponding currency pair chart. For a focused view, double-click the window below and in the Inputs page, choose Chart CCY Power in the Display Mode drop-down menu. Each currency is represented by a color. Yellow indicates Japanese yen, while purple indicates New Zealand dollars. To observe the trend, you can draw lines on the chart. For example, if New Zealand dollars is stronger than Japanese yen, you'll see an upward trend for New Zealand dollars. With the CCY Power Indicator, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to analyze currency trends and make informed trading decisions. Start optimizing your trading strategy today.